I used to ride motorcycles without a helmet and, a pair of shorts and a tank top. And one wipeout, one deer comes out in front of you, and all of a sudden, a little bit of road rash, and you learn your lesson.
Folks riding motorcycles, doing whatever. I ain't doing it. I remember my in-laws had a Harley, and when Emma was a baby, they're like, "Oh, hey, let's get her up and ride it just in the neighborhood." I said, "Nah, that ain't happening." I was like, "It is not going to happen." I'm a worrier, man. So,
well, I've had numerous Harleys, and Melissa made me get rid of whenever Callahan was born. I had to get rid of my last one.